Divi Pro plugin comes with an Instagram chat module. Let's see how this module works. First, we are adding the Instagram chat module in our Divi website. As you can see here, we have added on the top of the section, but as it appears a text, and here is writing, click here to edit the Instagram chat settings. This text will not be visible on the front end. Press to start from the content tab, go to the general, and enter your Instagram account username. In my case, it is nature_hunter94, and I'm choosing the booking template, this one, or you can select any of this. I have to keep the booking one. Click the chat bubble, and you can change any of this. I would like to keep the Instagram icon chat bubble, and you can customize the need help right here. Book now. Also, you can upload a custom icon for this one. And now we are going to do chat header toggle. We want to change the name, Iron, and change the image also. You can also change the background color of the header, black, red, or any of your desired color. I will keep the default one. And you can also customize the welcome message, this one. You can also customize the text, start chat. And I want to change this to book now, background. And from the design tab, you can customize the Instagram chat window. Now we are saving it and exit the visual builder. If I click here and click the book now button, it will redirect me the Instagram account message, and we can message here. I want to clarify here, this chat module is static and it does not facilitate real-time chatting. It is designed to redirect to Instagram direct messenger. Thank you for watching this video.